So now friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to create a map with a pie chart. So we have a screen here, PowerBI screen. And so what we will do here, so first of all, we will go to this map option. Now we have a map format here. And now we will just increase the size. And then in location, we will take our states. So from this file, I will take this region here. So first of all, I will put not region. So I will take the states here. So here it is it's just below. So we just put the states here. So now we have a map of America. Now this is our region. It's showing that. And in the legend, we will take our category. So when I will take category here, so we have a certain type of pie chart here, and if you want to increase its size, I just go there and just go to map setting, and in map setting there is a bubble, and just increase its size, so this will look more clear. So what the thing is here is, like we have this I will just increase the size focus. So we have category wise pie chart with us, but the problem is like they are equally distributed. Wherever we will find 3 categories, it's equally distributed, and where we will find 1 category, it's showing only 1. So according to how many categories it is showing the number of pie chart color. Now, like if we will go again to our data, and in our bubble size, if we will put sales here, now you will see the chart size is different, and their division is also different. Like in this case, like we have in technology, we have more area covered by pie chart, so it have more sales. Similarly, in different places here also technology, and if you'll go there, here we have more sales in our office supplies. So according to the sales made in different area, it will show our size of your sales. Like if you want to increase it or decrease it, what we can do, we can use our mouse and just revolve it around, and you will find it different type of sales here. And if you want to make any changes with data, you can go there and bubble if you want to increase it or decrease it. If you want to add the category also, that will also be there. And in bubbles, if you want to decrease the size, that is also there. So whatever you need, you can play with this data here and change it according to that. And legends, if you don't need legends, you can remove that also, and if you need them, you can take them. And we have a category label. If you want to remove them, it can be removed. So this way you can find and make a chart. That's all.